Hey, imagine this. You take just one simple idea, one prompt, and turn it into something amazing, like a dream coming true. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I found an AI tool called MagicLight that actually does that. I had to try it myself, and honestly, the results totally shocked me. It made a full 30-minute story, kept the same characters the whole time, and even works in different languages. Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. So how do you get started? It's super easy. Just click the link in the description and sign up with your email. No hassle at all. Once you're in, you'll find a clean, simple interface that actually makes creating videos fun. Then, when you're ready, click on Create AI Video, and you'll get a new screen like this. Making your video is really simple, just 4 easy steps. The first one is your script, which is basically what you want to say. You can type your prompt or paste in a script if you already have one. Think of this like the blueprint. It's where your story begins. Next, pick your video length and aspect ratio. I usually go with landscape since it works best on YouTube and social media. Then choose the language. There are over 10 options, but I will pick English for this one. Now for the fun part, pick your video style. There's everything from 3D cartoons to Disney, anime, and more. The style sets the whole vibe. I went with Disney for this story. The AI then breaks your script into scenes and shows you an outline so you can see how it flows. If you want to change anything, it's super easy. Just click and edit. When you're happy, you're ready for the next step. Now that your script and scenes are ready, it's time to bring your characters to life. On the cast page, you can pick from the library or create your own. This helps your story feel real and keeps people interested. You can let the tool pick characters automatically or customize every detail yourself. If you don't find the right character, you can easily create one by adding a name, gender, age, and a short description. For this video, I just picked characters, named them, and hit confirm. Do this for every character. It's like casting the perfect actors. When you're done, the tool creates a storyboard that ties everything together. Now that you've picked your characters and got your storyboard set, your video really starts coming to life. First, you can adjust the voiceover speed. I usually keep it at 1.0 because it sounds the most natural. Then choose from over 30 different voice styles to match the mood of your story. Next, scroll through the AI-generated images for each scene. Tap any image to hear the narration. And see the prompt behind it. If an image doesn't quite fit, don't worry. You can regenerate it until it feels perfect. When you're happy with how your video looks and sounds, pick an animation style. I like Animate Pro because it makes everything smooth and polished. The AI will handle animating your scenes, turning those images into a lively video. After that, it's time for the final step, getting your video ready to share. First, choose a cover image. That's what people will see first when they find your video. Then, add subtitles so everyone can follow along, even if they're watching without sound. Next, pick some background music, but keep the volume low so it doesn't drown out the voiceover. When everything looks good, hit generate and wait a little while for it to process. Once it's done, you're ready to publish and share your dream with the world. If you're excited to try MagicLight yourself, just click the link in the description and get started for free with 50 credits. And if you want to save even more time and money, check out my video on Global GPT, which offers 100+ AI tools all in one place on a simple subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think.